Okay, let's go. I'm gonna take you on a spin on my new RC crawler. Look at those big tires and suspension. It's crazy powerful. It literally climbs over anything. And yup, it can survive drops. Watch this. Boom! You can drive it with this remote or the app on your phone. It's even got this cool camera so you can see what it sees. It's super smooth on the road and totally fine on rough stuff. Like nothing stops it. Not even this gutter. Tall grass, dirt, beast mode climbing, rocks, no problem. How cool is that?